Welcome to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. This is camping vlog number 6. Today I'm in Manitou Springs, Colorado. This is going to be a good video. Don't go anywhere. As you may or may not know, I am camping for 6 months in a row. And right now I'm camping in Colorado Springs at the Mountaindale RV Resort. I've got about 5 more days left before I head to the Florida Keys for a little while and then jump back in my camper. At the end of this video I'll put my camping calendar in case I happen to be in your area. You can give me some ideas on places to visit. But today I'm in Manitou Springs. I just happened to stumble upon it. Seems like a really cool town. I'm gonna grab some lunch and see what there is to see. So I'm gonna keep on moving. Thanks for watching. This arcade place is super cool, Penny Arcade. There's tons of machines. But I'm stopping in for a latte, and then I'll keep on moving. Alright, so my first pit stop was the Manitou Incline, which is 2,744 steps. It's 2,000 feet of elevation gain in 1 mile. And then there's a trail that goes down the backside, which is a lot less steep. But I just finished that. And now I'm at this train depot here. It looks like there's trains. Let me see if I can get them in the shot. That go up to the top. And there's a little snack shop here. They're not running this time of year, I don't believe, but this seems like it'd be a really cool place to visit in the summertime. Found a grocery store called Tubbys Grocery, and it reminds me of something that happened today on the hike. I was getting passed by all these people on the incline, old people and females and everybody, and I said to this lady, I go, man, I seem to be getting passed by a lot of people. And she goes, maybe you had too many Christmas cookies. Makes me feel kind of tubby. I'm gonna keep on moving. Man, this town is really neat. So much character, so many friendly people, tons and tons of shops. I've already walked through twice, and I'll probably walk through it one more time because I keep on seeing things that I missed, but I highly recommend it. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching camping vlog number 6. I'm not sure what camping vlog number 7 is going to be, but I feel like each video is getting better and better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great week, and we will see you on the flip side.